In this video, I'll walk you through the process of building your own website using Wix, one of the most accessible yet powerful web development platforms available today. This first video is intended as an introduction. We'll explore what Wix is, how it works, what it offers, and why it has become such a popular choice for both beginners and professionals. In the upcoming videos, we'll shift to a more hands-on approach, but for now, let's begin with a comprehensive overview. So, what exactly is Wix? At its core, Wix is an online website builder designed to make the process of creating a website not only straightforward, but also enjoyable, even for those with no prior experience in coding or graphic design. It uses an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which means that instead of writing lines of code, you can simply select elements such as text boxes, images, buttons, or videos and place them exactly where you want on the page, as if you were designing a digital collage. Before you can start building, you'll need to sign up for an account. Registration is entirely free. Simply head over to wix.com. Click on Get Started at the top right corner and create an account using your email. Alternatively, you can log in via Google or Facebook. Once inside the platform, Wix will prompt you to choose between two main editing modes: the classic editor or the ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. The ADI system will ask you a few preliminary questions, such as what type of site you wish to create, what features you would like to include, whether you have a logo, whether you need a gallery or a contact form, and based on your answers, it will generate a fully functional website that you can then customize further. This is an excellent option for anyone who feels unsure about where to begin or simply doesn't have much time. One of Wix's strongest assets is its extensive library of professionally designed templates. These templates are organized into categories that reflect a wide range of industries and purposes, from restaurants and photographers to consultants, artists, fitness studios, online stores, and more. What's especially useful is that each template is fully editable. You can modify the color scheme, fonts, images, layout, and content. So while you're starting with a strong visual foundation, you're also free to tailor every aspect to match your unique brand or vision. Let's now take a closer look at the platform's functionality. Wix is not just a graphic editor. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools. For instance, if you're working on a template for a shoe store, I might say this one just to do an example. I click on the Edit button and the template will open in a new tab. The interface provides a navigation menu in the top left corner that allows you to switch between different pages of your website, adjust the zoom, preview the mobile version, and more. Moreover, when you hover over any button or tool, a brief description pops up helping you understand its purpose without the need for trial and error. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find additional features. You can add elements such as text and images, insert complete section like contact forms or blog feeds, configure your site's menu, and adjust the visual theme of your site, including background, typography, transitions, and color palettes. There's also an integrated app market where you can install extra features with a single click. These include live chat systems, SEO optimization tools, custom forms, translation widgets, review modules, and many other extensions that can enhance your site's functionality. At the top of the editor interface, you'll notice a set of crucial tools. The site menu, for example, gives you options to save your work, preview the site, publish it online, start a new project, or even delete an existing one. Next to it is the settings menu, which allows you to control several key aspects of your site, linking a custom domain, integrating your social media channels, password protecting certain pages, or making your content available in multiple languages. Under the dev mode settings, you can add custom JavaScript code and access development tools for more specific use cases. Wix even gives you the option to hire a professional designer directly from the platform or to reach out to their support team whenever you encounter an issue. If you click on the Wix logo in the upper left corner next to the Site tab, you'll open a drop-down menu that lets you access the site's dashboard. This dashboard opens in a separate window and is designed to help you manage all the administrative and technical components of your website. Upon entering the dashboard, you're presented with an overview section that highlights recommended actions, such as updating your site type, connecting a custom domain, publishing your site, or improving your SEO settings to help the site appear more effectively on search engines like Google. From here, you can navigate through different areas of management. The home section displays your site's main statistics along with a feed of recent activities. The payment sections enables you to configure which payment methods your website will accept. The sales area is where you can track transactions, manage products or services, and you can also integrate apps from the upmarket. You also have a site and mobile app section where you can analyze both desktop and mobile versions of your website. One particularly powerful section is marketing, which provides access to various promotional tools, including SEO configuration. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it refers to the strategies used to improve your site's visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential visitors to find you. Within this area, you can also connect to your social media accounts and create contact forms to collect information from users. In the analytics area, you can analyze traffic statistics such as the number of sessions over time and average length of stay on the site, track traffic analytics. In the automations area, you can set up automations. For example, Wix allows you to automatically send reminders when an invoice has gone unpaid for a week. Some automations are pre-built, but you can also design your own. Finally, the settings area of the dashboard offers centralized control over every component of your site. And if you're ever unsure where to find a particular function, there's a built-in search bar that can take you directly to what you need. Wix operates on a freemium model. You can begin with a free plan and build a complete site with most core features, but there will be some limitations. For instance, your site will use a Wix subdomain, such as mywebsite.wixsite.com, and ads may appear. To create a more polished and professional experience, you'll want to upgrade to one of the premium plans. If you go on your site editor, on the upper right corner, you'll find a button that says Upgrade. If you click on that, it will show you the various subscription plans. These plans remove the ads, allow you to connect a custom domain, and provide additional benefits such as increase the storage, enhance the marketing tools, and priority customer support. Pricing varies depending on whether your site is personal, commercial, or e-commerce and which features are included. While all of this might sound like a lot to take in, Wix is designed to be remarkably user-friendly. Even first-time users typically find it easy to navigate thanks to its clean interface and step-by-step guidance. In the next videos, we'll dive into the actual process of building a site. I'll show you how to choose and customize a template, how to add and edit pages, how to set up menus, insert images and text, configure links, and finally publish your website. We'll also cover how to set up an online store, add payment methods, and optimize your site for search engine using effective SEO techniques. Before you jump into the editor, though, I highly recommend taking a moment to plan. Don't rush in without a clear idea. Ask yourself what you want to achieve with your website. Is it meant to promote your personal brand, to sell products, to showcase your portfolio? Who is your audience? What sections will your site include? Perhaps a homepage, an about page, a services section, a portfolio, a blog, or a contact page. Having a well thought out structure in mind will make your work smoother and your final product more coherent and impactful. That's it for this first introduction. I hope it has helped clarify what Wix is and how it can serve as a powerful tool for building your online presence. I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we'll begin creating your first website together from scratch.